we'll discuss the problems based on transformation formulae. First one, express the following products into sum or difference. Under that, A, 2 sin 3 theta into cos theta. This is of the form sin A cos B formula. We have the formula sin A cos B is equal to half into sin of the sum plus sin of the difference plus sin of the difference. I just cross multiply this. So which is 2 sin A cos B. A is 3A, B is theta. Okay. So this is equal to sin of the sum 3 theta plus theta, sin of A plus B, plus sin of A minus B 3 theta minus theta. So that sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. See this? Product of two trigonometric function into sum of two trigonometric functions. Okay? In second year, in integration also we make use of these formulae to integrate product of two trigonometric functions. B, so this is of the form cos A sin B. We have the formula for cos A sin B as cos A sin B. If cos comes first, minus sin in between those. Sin of the sum minus sin of the difference. You just cross multiply. Okay. So 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin of the sum 2 theta plus 5 theta minus sin of the difference 2 theta minus 5 theta. So sin 7 theta minus sin 3 theta minus 3 theta. Actually sin of minus theta. So minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, as per ASTC rule, so only cos and its reciprocal, secant or positive, sin should be negative minus sin theta. So that this is equal to sin 7 theta. Sin of minus 3 theta is minus sin 3 theta. Minus of minus plus sin 3 theta. So this is of the form cos A cos B. Both are cos, Cos A cos B is equal to half into cos of the sum plus cos of the difference. This is the formula. If you cross multiply 2 cos A cos B, this is of the formula. See this? A, this is B. So half into cos of the sum 3 theta plus 15 theta plus cos of the difference 3 theta minus 15 theta, 3 theta minus 15 theta. So that 1 by 2 into 3 plus 15, 18, cos 18 theta plus cos of difference of these two minus 12 theta, minus 12. Okay. Cos of minus theta is what? As I said just now, minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, as per ASTC, C stands for cos and its reciprocal secant or positive. So this should be 1 by 2 into cos 18 theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, you know. So that's why plus cos 12 theta. This is the answer. Next D. Sin 75 degree into cos 15 degree. Sin 75 degree into sin 15 degree, let us say. Sin 15 degree. So that this is of the form sin A, sin B. Sin A, sin B formula. What is sin A, sin B formula? Minus half into cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Cos of A minus B. This is the formula. Sin A sin B is equal to minus half into cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So that minus 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B 75 plus 15 minus cos of A minus B 75 minus 15. Cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So minus 1 by 2 into what is this? 5 plus 5, 10. So 90. 75 plus 15 is 90. Check the difference. Difference 60. 75 minus 15 means this is 1 by 2 into what is cos 90 degree? Sin 90 degree is 1. Cos 90 degree is 0. So sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 is equal to cos 30 degree. Sin 60 equal to cos 30 degree. Both are equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. Both are equal to 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus plus 1 by 4 as the answer. So these are few examples to convert product of two trigonometric functions into sum or difference. So these are the stand angles. So we obtained 1 by 4 as the answer. Okay. Express the following as product of two trigonometric functions. Under that, A sin 6 theta plus sin 2 theta. This is of the form sin C plus sin D. What is sin C plus sin D actually? Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2SC, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C plus sin D means, so that this can be written as 2 sin C plus D, 6 theta plus 2 theta divided by 2 into cos 6 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 into sin 6 plus 2 is 8 theta divided by 2 into cos 6 minus 2 is 4 theta divided by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 by 2 is 2 theta. See, product, sum of two trigonometric function as a product of two trigonometric functions. Sin 3 theta minus sin 4 theta. Again this is of the form sin C minus sin D. Both are sin, both are cos. One sine, one cos. Anta formula illa. Sin C minus sin D formula. This is of the form sin C minus sin D is 2CS, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Okay. So this can be written as 2 cos c plus d 3 theta plus 4 theta divided by 2 into sine c minus d 3 theta minus 4 theta divided by 2. This is equal to 2 cos 3 plus 4 7 theta by 2 into sine minus theta by 2. As we know, sine of minus theta lies in the fourth quadrant, as per the ASTC rule. So sine theta should be negative, so that I just write minus here, minus 2 into cos 7 theta by 2, you just retain that as it is, into sine theta by 2. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. This is the answer. Cos 9 theta minus cos 4 theta. Cos 9 theta minus cos 4 theta. See, this is of the form cos c minus cos d, Cos c minus cos d is minus 2ss. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. See, this is c, this is d. Cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 9 theta minus 4 theta by 2. This is equal to minus 2 times sin 9 plus 4, 13 theta by 2, 13 theta by 2 into sin 9 minus 4 means 5 theta by 2, 5 theta by 2. So minus 2 sin 13 theta by 2 into sin 5 theta by 2. D. Cos 40 degree, cos 40 degree plus cos 20 degree. This is of the form cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d is what? 2cc, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, c minus d by 2. So this is c, this is d. So that 2 cos 40 plus 20 divided by 2 into cos 40 minus 20 divided by 2. So this is equal to 2 cos 60 by 2, 30 degree, cos 20 divided by 2. So that this is equal to 2 into cos 30 degree into cos 10 degree. Actually cos 30 degree is sin 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2. Cos 10 degree is not a standard angle. I just retain this as it is. So root 3 cos 10 degree. This is the answer. Okay. So these are few examples to transform sum or difference into product of two trigonometric functions. Okay. Cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x, root 2 cos x. So based on transformation formula, you are going to get one 5-mark question. So from now onwards, so go through these questions, practice it properly under 5-mark section. See, This problem is already worked out using compound angle formula. This can be worked out by using transformation also. Cos C plus cos D, or else cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B formula also. Now transformation formula I'll use cos C plus cos D. Both are cos means 2cc. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula. Consider the left hand side, that is cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. This is just of the form cos C plus cos D, which is equal to 2 times cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C plus D by 2. Here plus x and minus x gets cancelled, into cos of C minus D. C minus D means minus of this, means minus pi by 4 minus of minus plus x divided by 2. Here plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 gets cancelled. 2 times cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2 90 degree divided by 2 into cos x plus x 2x divided by 2. Cos 45 degree into cos x. What is cos 45 degree? 1 by root 2 into cos x. Now this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square, right? So one of the root 2 gets cancelled, root 2 cos x. That is what the RHS we want. Okay, under 5 mark section. Of course, a simple question. Plus cos 5x divided by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x. It's there in the model question paper. So consider the left hand side to prove the RHS. See, this is of the form cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D, which is 2cc sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2cs. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, So for the numerator, cos C plus cos D formula, try to recollect. So that is 2cc, 2 cos C plus D by 2, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That is 7x minus 5x divided by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Here sin C minus sin D means 2 cos C plus D by 2, 7x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Yes, 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Okay, so now 2 gets cancelled. Cos of 7x plus 5x by 2, cos of 7x plus 5x by 2. Cos theta by sin theta means cot theta, cot of 7x minus 5x by 2. Cos by sin means cot x. So cot 7 minus 5 means 2x divided by 2. So which is cot x. That is what the RHS we want. Hence the result. Fifth one, prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by sin 5x minus, cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. So Bangalore North Zone 16 paper, Bangalore South Zone 17 paper in 5 mark section. So consider the left hand side. Let us group these two. Sin C plus sin D formula. Sin C plus sin D minus 2 sin 3x as it is, whereas here cos C minus cos D formula. I will substitute in the formula directly. So try to recollect the formula. Sin C plus sin D means 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 minus 2 sin 5x, 3x divided by. So cos C minus cos D formula. What is cos C minus cos D? Minus 2ss minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. This is equal to 2 times sin 5x plus x, 6x by 2, 3x. 5 minus 1 means 4x by 2 means 2x. That is cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x whole divided by. Here minus 2 sin 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 means 3x into sin 5 minus 1, 4 by 2 means 2x. In the numerator we have 2 sin 3x common, okay, cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. Thus and thus gets cancelled. We have the formula cos 2 theta in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square theta, so that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos 2 theta equals 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now observe, that is equal to, if I take minus common, 1 minus cos 2x divided by minus, we have sin 2x, minus gets cancelled. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x divided by 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, one of the sin x gets cancelled. Sin x by cos x means tan x. That is the RHS under 5 mark section. Okay.